No! No! Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing with the new update in Roblox, bedwars. So today they didn't add a kit or anything. They basically, what they did is they added dodo birds. I don't know why, but they sound pretty cool. So basically they spawn every couple of minutes in around and you can double jump with them and stuff like that. And the other thing they did was make the barbarian look more buff. So now let's get straight into the video. So basically, if you want to buy something really fast, you can just click like that. You can only do it on PC to start off with now, but it's a good start. I'm dead. So we need to get these people fast because they're gonna get our bed and that's gonna be bad, and they're about to get our bed, and yeah, I just got them. And they're dead. That was pretty easy. Across like that, and I fell into the void. Great. Oh no. Alright, now let's go back to my teammate because I fell off the void. And let's go help him. On the way, I can get some armor as well because I did fall. I could have got like Jen or something, but that sucks of me from falling. Some wool. And now let's go to mid. I'm gonna head to mid and maybe try and find the bird because I haven't hit the bird the whole game, the dodo. We gotta try and find this bird. Hopefully we can get it. It's apparently really OP, this bird, and I want to test it out. I've only really played with it once, and I'm getting chased. I want Dodo. Give me Dodo. Give me Dodo. Do I see Dodo anywhere? Dodo. There's pink has built a bridge to mid, so we will use that to go back to a base. So we can get some more balloons, so then we can actually survive a bit longer. Let's buy that, and let's try and head over to pink. We might actually be able to get their bed because they are not there right now, and they've just spawned in. That sucks. What armor do they have? They only have that armor. Why is he insurmountable? What the heck? What? I couldn't even hit him. Well, I'm going back to my teammate now. I'm glad I got balloons, because otherwise I would have been dead. Why does he have to be chasing me? Haha, fool. Get tricked. Now I go back. He's chasing me. Run. 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 He left me. Or he fell. Alright, let's get that. Some of that. And some blocks. And let's save it for an axe. And then we'll go in again. Alright, then let's get that. And let's get some armor protection. Oh, you can't do it for this. Can you make it so you, if the devs are watching this, can you make it so you can, press on the diamond guy as well? You can right or left click. Oh, it's one hit! It's one hit! Right, let's get some more emeralds, because otherwise we're gonna die. Right, hopefully I do not get bowed off when I'm heading back. Probably will, knowing my luck, but let's hold them out just in case. So just do this so we do not get bowed off. Alright, let's buy some balloons. Let's buy some more. Let's buy a better axe. And 2 TNT. And let's go back over there. With that. And go get their bed. Ah, you missed. Ah, you missed. How did he miss that? What the heck? What just happened? Like, bruh, my balloons didn't work. And so I'm going to rush into mid. So, like that, and just do that just in case I fall. And I'll fight, and he's gonna mine the bed. So we are going to quickly rush over there. Basic strategy. He's gonna build, I'm gonna fight, he's gonna mine. I'm gonna mine the bed, I'm going to run away, and then I'm going to turn around and hit him. No, I'm not hitting. Huh? That was really easy. So, GG to him. So, let's build over here. And let's kill this dude. And let's mine his bed away. Chop, chop, choppity, chop, chop. I don't know why I said that. And get him. And now let's get his iron. I'm gonna get a stone sword, some blocks. And let's go back out and try and get another team. Alright, so my teammate needs help right now. If he dies, I'm just gonna quickly... Yeah, back away. Back away, you fool. Back away. Ha! I got that bed. God, yeah. They've got armor and things. How are you... He's like hacking or something. Haha, fool. Oh, look, there's a bird. The dodo. I need dodo. So basically, it's like the island's pets. How you can dismount and everything. But this is cooler. They are very weak, so be careful of these. Like, they can get damaged really easily. But they can double jump, they go fast, and it's basically endless. Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so handy. I think there should be a cooldown on this thing. It's too overpowered. Like, I just went in there and I got out. You can jump so high with this thing. And it doesn't take full damage. It should take full damage, I think. It's just very overpowered. Alright, let's go back over there. No! No! Dodo, come here. Come here. Imagine I just fell off then. Ah! Oh, this is cool. GG. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one.